Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. Let me just open this baggie up here and so we can see the box. It is some Ultrafit open ear air conduction headphones. So we're gonna give these things a try here. Let's open it up. It's SUDOTACK, I guess is the brand. So this is, kind of explains how to wear them, I guess. So that's that. Here is the box with them. What is it? And then I'm gonna guess this is probably a charging cable. It is, and it's gonna charge from USB to USB-C. And then in the bottom of the box, there was a manual for it, user guide. So I'll show you guys what that looks like here. If you need any part of it, I guess pause it and zoom in. There's a lot of words on here, but okay. I'm guessing it's all, looks like it's all English, so there you go. Okay. So the box is a charging box, it says. So this is the box. So let's open it up here. So, and we can open this device up here. And this is what they look like in here. So we have a touch key area on the side, an indicator light, and charging icon, audio out. We got all sorts of stuff on here. So it's like there's the charger on that side there. And if you wanted to charge them individually, I guess. If you somehow lose the case, my case is at 70%. That's pretty good for just getting it. And then that one here has a little charger as well. So if you do need to charge them individually, you're able to. So let's see how these work. So powering on, to power on, open them, taking them out of the case. The headphone will automatically tap the control area to do it. So let's see if we can connect to this. I'm going to try. I see a Bluetooth thing called SUDOTACK Ultrafit, and I'm going to connect to that. So I should be connected now. So let's see how these go. So if we go on like this, I guess it goes on like that. So this is it now. It's over my ear. It's not inside my ear, so I can totally hear everything around me. So let's see if I play something here. Let me see if I have anything to play. I guess I haven't used my music app in a while, but let's just play something here. Oh, I hear it. Can you guys hear it? Just for fun. Oh no, you can't hear it out there. It's funny because it's so loud, but I can totally hear the surrounding stuff around me really good. And wow, this sounds good. It has a surprising amount of, well, I mean, I'm just going to stop, but turn it down at least. I don't think I'll touch it. I'll just listen to some music while we're going. But okay, but yeah, the sound is good. I hear a lot of bass in it, which is surprising for something that's not even in my ear. See if I have any other stuff. So pairing it, I mean, mine paired up. I just noticed the thing. I mean, this video is a couple minutes long, and I've already got it working. So I think that's it. Let's see. We can tap things on it. Maybe do I tap this one? Oh yeah, you tap it. I guess tapping it to play it and pause it 2 times to double tap. Let me see. Oh, the right headphone, double tap to play and pause, and that did. So when I double tapped it, it pauses it, and then it keeps going. And if I do 3 times on this one, I think I might, I don't know if I did, it'll skip to the next song. And if I do this one, it goes to the previous song, which for me is the same song because I just started the playlist. But that's pretty cool. And then you can answer calls with it, with double tapping either side of it when it's ringing. You can reject a call, I guess, by holding it down. I don't even think I would just let it ring. And then there's different voice assistants and things like that you can do. But really cool. So I like this. So these are good. They don't look too bad, and they've got a good feel on them, so I could even run with these, I think. I don't know, is the picture of somebody running on it? And she's sort of athletic-y outside. But yeah, I mean, these aren't going to go anywhere. They're not going to fall off, and I can totally run. I could hear the traffic. I could do everything with it. So these are cool. These might be my new running headphones. So super cool. Thumbs up.